sketch a graph of x plus 3 squared equals 12 times y minus 4. Here, this is going to be a parabola because it's only the x that gets squared. The y doesn't get squared. But this parabola has its vertex shifted. Because x was replaced with x plus 3, it gets shifted to the left 3. And because y was replaced with y minus 4, it gets shifted up 4. And so the vertex here is going to be at the point -3, 4. Now because this looks like x squared equals 4py, even though it's shifted, this is a parabola that's going to be opening vertically. And here, because the coefficient outside of the y is 12, we know that 12 is 4 times 3. That tells us that p equals 3. And so the focus is going to be 3 units above the vertex. So the focus is going to be right up here. Because it's positive, it's upward. So we're going to have a parabola that's opening upward, but we have to figure out how wide it is, and for that we're going to use the focal diameter. Remember that the focal diameter is given by the absolute value of 4p. In this case, that's the absolute value of 12, which is 12. So the focal diameter is 12. And that means that when we're looking at the width at the height that the focus is at, the width is going to be 12. So that means from the focus, we go to the right 6 units and we go to the left 6 units. And so we can do that here. And then that will help us see how wide the parabola is going to be, which will help us sketch its graph. So this is a sketch of the graph of x plus 3 squared equals 12 times y minus 4. Lastly, if we happen to want the directrix, we remember that the directrix is in the opposite direction from the focus, the same distance. So we're going to go down 3 units there. And then the directrix is going to be this horizontal line, which we can see is the line y equals 1, in case it's something we were asked for.